Imagine this! You take a raw video clip, drop it into your editor, and within seconds, it already has perfectly synced music, cinematic sound effects, and a full timeline ready. Like a professional sound designer just worked on your project. No searching through libraries, no trial and error, no guessing what might work. Everything just fits. Sounds unreal, right? Because normally, this is where most creators struggle. You either spend hours finding the right music, or you generate something with AI and just hope it sounds good. But what if instead of guessing, you actually had full control over everything? Every beat, every effect, every layer, directly on your timeline. Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. In this video, I'll show you how you can generate perfectly synced music and sound effects for your videos, and then fine-tune everything exactly the way you want. And for this, we're going to use a tool called Ace Studio, which is not just another AI tool, but a complete audio production system where you can create vocals, instruments, full tracks, and now even compose directly for video. All right, now let's jump inside Ace Studio and see how this actually works. First, we'll import our video. Simply drag and drop it into the project. Once you do that, the file will start uploading into the software. After the upload is complete, we can activate the composition agent. Now we're ready to generate music and sound effects for the video. Let's begin by creating some music. I'll start with a simple prompt. Now let's go ahead and submit the prompt. Ace Studio will analyze the video and generate music that aligns perfectly with the visuals. And honestly, just by adding the right music and layering sound effects, you can elevate your cinematics to a whole new level. All right, let's listen to what it created. This is absolutely mind-blowing, guys. Exporting is very simple. Just click on the export option at the top. You'll see multiple settings like render type, where you choose your output format. Then select the export range, whether you want to export the full project or a specific part. After that, adjust options like channels, format, sample rate, and bit rate as needed. Once everything is set, click on export. Finally, choose the location where you want to save your file, and your export is complete. All right, let's try this with another project. I'll drag this clip into the timeline, and now let's create a music prompt for this scene. We'll go with something like epic, dramatic music for a luxury yacht facing a massive storm in the ocean. Now let's submit it. Ace Studio will analyze the footage using AI and generate music that matches the intensity of the scene. All right, let's hear what it created. Wow, that sounds amazing. I really like this soundtrack. Now let's move on and generate some sound effects. We'll open a new session and select Sound Effects for video. Here, I'll enter a prompt like heavy cinematic impacts, deep bass drops, whoosh transitions, rising risers, subtle ambient tension. Overall epic, dramatic, and high intensity without music. Let's send it. Now Ace Studio will generate all the sound effects using AI and automatically place them on the timeline. As you can see, it's creating multiple effects and layering them perfectly. And honestly, the quality of these sound effects is incredible. Now let's add a specific sound effect to a particular part of the timeline. And then I write my prompt. All right, now that we have a wide range of sound effects, let's start arranging them and enhancing the overall mix. We can easily reposition the layers and apply additional effects to improve the sound design. One thing I really like about Ace Studio is that it comes with built-in tools like reverb and compression. You can even choose from different types of reverb to match your scene perfectly. On top of that, you can copy, paste, and duplicate sound effects to create richer layers and a more immersive experience. And that's where the real magic happens, when you start refining and elevating your sound design. All right, after making all the adjustments, here's the final result. Let's check it out.
You who have turned from the warnings of the Almighty, your hearts are steeped in corruption. and your ways are a plague upon this earth. By easy decree, I have come to cleanse this realm of your defilement. Your end is nigh.
نور ذرا شكرت لوسيفا ميل دراقة تربخا نالشورا ترفك نرد قنير يدور ملوراد ملارك لوسن.
And remember, AI isn't here to replace your creativity. It's here to speed up your workflow and help you take your content to the next level. This is where things get really powerful because now you have complete control and flexibility over your production. Now, tools like this do require a subscription, and you can access Ace Studio through the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.